Kitchen. It may still be the morning, but we're thinking about dessert.
Yes, so why not try and serve something more than just ice cream from your freezer? We are ready to mix fire with ice. And that's what Chef Brad Scott is ready to show you in the kitchen at Scott Community College.
Hi, Chef Brad Scott from the kitchens at Scott Community College. You know, we haven't made dessert in a long while, so I thought I'd do something easy and something that everybody likes. A little Fireball Foster. Some very simple ingredients. I've got bananas. I've got real butter. I've got trusty Fireball, some brown sugar, and a stove. Let's get to work. I'm going to slice some bananas, very thin, about 1 banana per person. I've got a few people in the audience today, so I'm going to do 3 of them. The firmer the banana, the better. So even if they're a little green, they're all right, because we want them to hold up. So I'm going to get my butter melting, about 1 pound. I'm going to add my brown sugar, a nice mix. I'm going to add my bananas. And give it a nice stir. All right, so now we're ready. We're going to crank this up to a medium-high heat. And I'm going to add about 1 cup of Fireball liqueur. Now, there is a chance that you might get a little flare-up, but generally not. I'm going to take this down to low heat for 2 to 3 minutes while I get my ice cream. I think about 2 scoops per person is plenty. We're ready. You'll want to serve this right away. Wasn't that easy to make? Fireball Foster. Enjoy.